Hello and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I am Jessica, the knitter and designer behind Snickerdoodle Knits. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to perform the I-cord bind off. So to get started, you need to for sure have working stitches that you're already working, because the I-cord bind off is a bind off to bind off your stitches. But then we will take our left needle, which is our needle with our work, and we are going to cast on 3 stitches with a backwards loop cast on. So if you're unfamiliar with the backwards loop cast on, basically you just wrap your yarn around your fingers such that the yarn connected to the work is above the yarn that's connected to your yarn ball. Then we just come under the bottom strand and above the top strand and let go. That's a cast on of 1, cast on of 2, and a cast on of 3. We'll then turn our work so that we can work from the right side of the fabric. From here, we will knit the first 2 stitches. So knit 1 and knit 2. Then we will knit the next 2 stitches together through the back loop. So go through both of these stitches, through the back of the stitch, and we knit those 2 stitches together. So we now have 3 stitches on our right needle. We will go ahead and slip those 3 stitches back to the left needle, and so we want to do that just by transferring straight over, making sure we don't twist those stitches. And now we will continue from where we knit 2. So we just knit 2, knit 1, knit 2, and then knit 2 together through the back loop. So there we just decreased 1, and that knit 2 together through the back loop, that's where our decrease is happening for our bind off. And now we transfer those 3 stitches directly back to the left needle and do that again. Knit 1, knit 2, knit 2 together through the back loop. Now we have 3 stitches again, and we'll transfer those back to the left needle and start over again. Knit 2, knit 2 together through the back loop, transfer 3 stitches back to the left needle. So here you can start to see how this creates a very defined edge. It creates a nice finishing touch to your edge, and it actually starts to look like an I-cord. So it's kind of, I guess, like a boxy look of those flat edges of an I-cord. We'll just continue. Knit 2, knit 2 together through the back loop. And you just continue this to the end of your row until you have 3 stitches remaining on the left needle. So we now have our 3 stitches remaining, and I've transferred those back onto the left loop, left needle. And all we're going to do is knit those 3 stitches together through the back loop. So there you go. Now you just pull your yarn through, and as with any other bind off, you will just go ahead and snip through here, just snip the yarn. Then you would have your tail, and you would weave in your tail. Congratulations! You now know how to perform an I-cord bind off. It creates a very nice polished edge to your fabric, but it is definitely a very defined edge, so you won't want to use it in every circumstance. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful, informative, and easy to follow. If you continue to have questions about how to perform this I-cord bind off, go ahead and replay this video at a slower speed, and then leave whatever questions you still have in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the Snickerdoodle Knits channel for additional knitting tutorial content like this video. I hope to see you around. Happy knitting!